Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Baby Jane Omotoy, 29 years old, single. My religion is Roman Catholic. My education is college graduate, 4-year course of social work. I work as domestic helper in the Philippines from August 15, 2020 until February 21, 2026. I finished contract. I serve family of four, two adults, two newborn babies, one boy and one girl. My main duties are general cleaning, cooking, but my first priority is the newborn babies because both my employer is working. My daily routine to the babies is wash my hand and the bottles, put the right amount of milk and the water, shake it properly, check the temperature and give it to the baby. I also know how to cook Chinese dishes and speak basic Cantonese language. I am willing to learn new skills. I am honest, responsible, patient, and hardworking. Sir, Madam, please choose me as your household worker. I promise to do my duties very well and finish contract with you.